Hello everybody, in this video I will discuss scientific notation. What is scientific notation? It is a way of writing very large or very small numbers as the product of a number and a power of 10. For example, the Earth is 1,496 times 10 to the power of 8 kilometers from the Sun. A number written in scientific notation is written as a significand multiplied by a power of 10. So if I give you a times 10 to the power of n, then a is called the significand times 10 to the power of n, power of 10, and then the significand must be a number between 1 and 10. And we always have 1 comma and then something after the comma, or 8 comma, so we have one number in front of the comma. Express each of the following as a single number without using a calculator. When you multiply a number by 10, you move the comma to the right. So when I give you 2,45 times 10, it means you're going to move your comma one place. So the answer will be 24,5. The next one, 2,45 times 100, means you will move your comma once twice. Therefore the answer 245. The next one, 2,45 times 1,000, means you will move your comma 3 places, but there's a zero missing, so you can add how many zeros you want. So we're going to move 3 places. Therefore, let me show you, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 2,450. At the bottom here, 1,26 times 100 means you move your comma twice. Once, twice, 2 places. Therefore, the answer 126. And then 4,18 times 10 to the power of 2, or 10 squared rather, is the same as 4,18 times 100. And 100 means, times 100 means you move your comma twice. Once, twice. Therefore, the answer 418. In this slide, we're going to convert from scientific notation to decimal notation. So when I give you 2,8 times 10 to the power of 5, it means you're going to move the comma 5 places to the right. Now what you do is, first of all, you add a couple of zeros. And now you're going to move your comma 5 places. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then your answer will be 280,000. The next one, 5,13 times 10 to the 6. Move the comma 6 places to the right. Again, you write 5,13 and then you add a couple of zeros. Now we move it to the right, 6 places, the comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then your answer will be 5,130,000. 2,6 times 10 to the 8. Move the comma 8 places to the right. So you write 2,6 and then you add a couple of zeros. And now we're going to move the comma 8 places to the right. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your answer will be 260 million. In this slide, we're going to convert from decimal notation to scientific notation. If there is no comma at the end, add 1. Count how many places to the left you need to move for one significant digit. So if I give you 25, you add your invisible comma and you move your comma once. Therefore the answer 2,5 times 10 to the 1. The next one, 250. Add your invisible comma and move and count once, twice. Therefore the answer 2,5 times 10 squared because you moved it twice. The next one, 2,500. There's your invisible comma. Let's move the comma once, twice, 3 times. Therefore, it's 2,5 times 10 to the 3. And then 25 million, when you write it out, it's a 25 with 6 zeros. Now let's move the invisible comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore the answer 2,5 times 10 to the power of 7. Examples. Convert these numbers to scientific notation. Now I just want to show you something, that 1 million in the green cloud there, 1 million, you write it as a 1 with 6 zeros. 1 billion is a 1 with 9 zeros. And 1 trillion is a 1 with 12 zeros. Number 1. The orbit of Mars has a circumference of approximately, and then that number you read as 1,430,000,000 kilometers. And when you write that in scientific notation, remember, you add your invisible comma and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer in scientific notation is 1,4 times 10 to the power of 9. Number 2. The surface area of the moon is approximately, and that one reads as 37,930,000 square kilometers. Therefore, let me just show you again. You add your invisible comma and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 3,793 times 10 to the power of 7. Number 3. Write 587 million in scientific notation. Add invisible comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, it's 5,87 times 10 to the power of 8. Number 4. The universe is 15 billion years old. Add invisible comma and move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That number in scientific notation, 1,5 times 10 to the power of 10. Examples. Convert these numbers to decimal notation. So what you do is you write 1, 2 and you add a couple of zeros. Now times 10 to the 4 means you move your comma to the right 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer, you moved your comma to the right, is 12,000. Number 2. 6,83 times 10 to the 5. You add a couple of zeros and you move your comma to the right 5 times. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your answer, 683,000. Number 3. 5 times 10 to the power of 6. You write 5, comma, and you add a couple of zeros. And now we move the comma to the right 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer, 5 million. Number 4. 3,02 times 10 to the 3. Add a couple of zeros and move your comma to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And the answer, 3,020. Thank you for watching my video. Remember, I prepared the whole syllabus for you. Have you subscribed yet? And please tell all your friends about Online Maths by Miss Pythagoras.